Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Tool Recipes. Today I'm super excited to share with you my recipe for pork and prawn wontons with the best homemade crunchy chili oil. Seriously, this stuff is next level. We're bringing together juicy ground pork and fresh prawns, all wrapped in tender wonton wrappers. You can steam them or fry them until they're perfectly cooked and just a little crispy on the edges. But here's the magic, the crunchy chili oil. It's got this amazing combo of heat, tang, and a satisfying crunch that takes these wontons from delicious to unforgettable. I'll show you exactly how to make it from scratch so you can drizzle it over your wontons for that perfect flavor punch. Whether you're looking for a killer appetizer or just want to impress at your next dinner, this recipe is simple and packed with bold flavors. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes right here on Kitchen Tool Recipes.